Welcome back to another video. This will be a quick tip in CATIA V5. So if you wanna find some elements faster, it is recommended to have those renamed. Let's take a look at a case study over here. I have a planar section that intersected the 3D scan. Afterwards, I made an offset, so that planar section was converted to a curve. That curve has been filled over here. And afterwards, I did a cutout using another 3D scan as a reference for that. As we can see over here, if I will unhide split 2, this will be the top part. So in order to find this a little bit faster, I can just right click, go to properties, and I can rename this, for example, top surface. I will click OK, and we're gonna have that renamed over there. In this case, if I will swap the visible space, we're gonna see that within the same assembly, I also have other 3D scans. So we see the one in green at the top, the one in blue at the bottom, and there are also some 3D measurements. As we can see over here, the 3D measurements will be mostly some circles that are used for alignment between those 3D scans and the reverse engineering part. Okay, so I hope you find this kind of video useful. Consider to give this video a like or also to subscribe. And if you want to, let's say, see some more tips and tricks regarding CATIA V5, I highly recommend you to check my playlist. As we can see over here, the CATIA V5 tips and tricks playlist currently has 175 videos. And I constantly update this list with my most recent videos. So consider to give this playlist a check in order to see if some of the elements that you are working with will be discussed over here. So I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.